you can serve it. Food is ready to be served. I'm so excited. This jollof has turned out perfectly. But
My people, I don't know whether I don't watch this video about Miss Trudy and her family. Miss Trudy. This our wife, our Ghanaian wife. Hey, you see, I say the pepper is too much. The pepper, Ghanaian pepper. Ghanaian like pepper too much. Ghanaian Nigeria. Hey, welcome to Naija Daughter TV, my people. I see this her video. I said no. I will talk about her. The thing when I read it, I don't know whether other people they do other people. If you see Miss Trudy and her father, their communication, no. If you see two of them, their communication, I don't know, it sweet my body like say tomorrow not day. I don't know whether now let me one. Because when Miss Trudy say cook Ghanaian jollof rice for you, you go eat her. There is pepper. If I say go eat, hey, Miss Trudy, our wifey. And wetin come see shortalize me for this video. They say they don't know plantain. Now banana they know. They say country don't know plantain. I beg, no una tell me for the comment section. That they say country. I was shocked. Say Kenya don't know plantain. Say Kenya just know banana, but they don't know plantain. Kenya, my Kenyan people. When I not come from you, I was shocked when I see and soon I don't know plantain. France where every day they know plantain. But they call her haricot. Not plantain, but they say they call her haricot. Now Kenya don't know plantain. After they fry the plantain, they give her dad. Then her dad test her. He say, it good. Then Miss Trudy put a lot of pepper, but do it to ox, that pepper not too much. But do it to people I know they eat pepper. Our wife, Miss Trudy, if this my video go viral, why they doubt my God? And why they doubt my God can do it and do it and do it. Miss Trudy say I don't give it that. Miss Trudy, if you come across this my video, if you want cook pepper to people when they don't know pepper, when they don't eat pepper, like that kind jollof rice, at least one pepper or two pepper is okay. As far as you know, so your country not they eat pepper, then you will put one or two pepper. Not really get what they do for body, just because we grow with it the way our parents, our mother, always put pepper for food. Some people for that country in the feed that Ghana, some people they not they eat pepper. My own country, some people do when they not they eat pepper. Yes, I can say it. Some people they not they eat pepper, but it's not really common. They rare for our country. This one was still test and this girl, she still test and then her father come he said, Dad, it's like you like her. This one say give her how many percent? I say, I beg I not fit talk. What I really say about this video is how Miss Trudy and her dad take the carry, how two of them take the relationship between Miss Trudy and her dad. I love it. All the Ghanaians, all the e-logs, all the online e-logs, come see Miss Trudy comment section. Our wife, we are proud of you. Our wife, we are proud of you. Miss Trudy. Yes, we are really proud of you. Yes. I join Ghana to say we are proud of you because some women, they will say they know they eat them. No be their food. But you leave Ghana, you go Kenya. You say you want cook Ghanaian food for your family. Say the joy. That might say dad not fit come eat her. That might say dad not fit eat her. But he eat the plantain, the fried plantain. You say you want cook food for your family, and two people really enjoy this food. One of her brother, one of her sister. Yes, two of them really enjoy the food. But next time, if you be wife when they marry from Nigeria or for Ghana or for Cameroon, yes, these three countries they like pepper. If you want to cook them for your family, put one pepper. You can put one pepper for this food because your family, that pepper will still hot them for mouth. Your family, they don't dey eat pepper. They don't know wetin be pepper. I gotta use this my video to send message now. If you are not a Ghanaian, Nigeria, Cameroon, yes, those countries they eat pepper well, you know. Then if you go your country, maybe you marry Nigeria person or Ghana person, then you can't like the food. If you want to come for your family, no you grind the pepper. You can drop the pepper inside, or you can grind just one pepper so that they will feel am. Miss Trudy, I really like you. I love you for who you are, the way you carry yourself, and the way you also, you know, carry your family, also put smile on your family. Mostly this your dad. Now so your children still put smile for your face too. I see the work when you do, the surprise when you still give your auntie. I say I will do that video. It be like na special, I will do that video. You know, keep do it up, keep the good work up. That is why our brother love you. And your dad, they say, Woodmaya is not here. Woodmaya is not here to test her wife food. Woodmaya they eat his wife food. Woodmaya just want make your wife stay cook for you, dad. Okay, make she take care of you. Woodmaya, wherever it is now, they proud of, you know, his wife. Yes, so our wife, Miss Trudy, Ghanaian wife, we are proud of you, because some women, some girls, they will say, I beg, I did my Kenya, me I still know, but you enter kitchen and cook. That is good. That is good. Okay, my people, now this one I break come out for you. Try and watch. I'll drop some, you know, as usual. Now, me una still enjoy. Me una still feel na how this guy enjoy the food. How did they Kenya know they eat plantain. This one shock me. And this one will shock me pass. He go buy blend. I say they know they blend. We they blend though. Say Ghana and Nigeria they blend. Yes, we they read they blend. Yeah. Now wow. This guy enjoy the food, eh? My people, may I leave you now to talk. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.
And a Ghanaian meal, the way we make it in Ghana. So I'm excited. I think you're gonna like it, but you have to be ready because Ghanaians eat a lot of pepper. It's gonna be hot, oh! It's gonna be so hot. There's no other way. When you're making Ghana food, you have to put pepper. So you have to eat it with water. You have to take it with milk. Or I'm excited. I think you're gonna like it, but you have to be ready because Ghanaians eat a lot of pepper. It's gonna be hot, oh! It's gonna be so hot. There's no other way. When you're making Ghana food, you have to put pepper. So you have to eat it with water, you have to take it with milk or a drink. You ready, eh? What do you think?
Jollof?
It's not jollof, it's jollof.
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 What are you saying jollof?
Jollof.
Better to go and cook it for my family to try out jollof for the very first time. I mean, I should have done this a long time ago, but it's better late than never. Because of this video, I had to buy a blender. You know, I tell you guys in my videos that one thing we've never eaten plantain. I guess some Kenyans have, but in my family we've never. So this is gonna be the first time my family is eating plantain. And because I never cut onions in my eyes as a chicken or whatever. The work is starting. Okay, now it's on. I've cut these onions into small pieces. I'm gonna throw these onions in our chicken for ingredients. I've chopped up some onion, garlic, tomato, ginger, and some pepper. All you're gonna do now is put them in the blender. Time to make the plantain. Our jollof is on fire. Our chicken is feeling interesting. And is this a red banana or just it's plantain? Red plantain. Thank God I'm not the only one. You see how I'm Do you have the thing? Let me give you a couple. My dad's first time ever eating plantain. What are your thoughts? Do you like it?
Not.
Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being really good, 10 being terrible. How do you rate it?
Really nice.
It's sweet. So what's the rating you give it?
8.
Okay.
That is percentage.
My dad has already taken another. He's enjoying it. You want another? Hey, I mean, it's so good. What do you think? What'd you say? The chili is strong. Now this is West African food. It has a lot. Even this might not be enough. Too much pepper. Too much pepper. Take it down with a drink. I told you when you're having a Ghanaian meal, West African in general, you have to have a drink because it's usually so hot. The food is so hot. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being really good, 10 being pathetic.
1 is very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you rate it. You tell me. It's supposed to be the opposite.
Yes.
So it's supposed to be 10 being very good, 1 being pathetic. Okay, so how do you rate it?
7 to 10.
7 over 10. Okay. The pepper is too much for you?
Yeah, in the rice. The pepper in the rice is too much. This is too hot. What is this? It's not enough.
You guys have to this rice. I'm giving you a taste of Ghana so that when you come to Ghana, you will get culture shock. There's no way you can get food with this without pepper unless you make it in your own house.
I can't even put it down.
That's why we might not be much loud, leave it down. So you're saying?
I wish Maya was here. Because this rice is so hot. No wonder he talks the way he talks. As if he's following.
It's a pepper.
Can feel it. Oh yeah, I was saying, you want to know why South Africans put so much pepper in this?
South Africans.
From West Africa?
Why?
Because you know West Africa is relatively hot, so food goes stale relatively fast. So to prevent that, putting pepper in food.
Is it hot?
It is actually, but it's manageable.
Okay.
I think because I love chili myself.
Ah, okay.
It is hot.
Now you guys have a taste of what you'll get when you come to Ghana. It's gonna be hot, like this, even hotter. All their food, your eyes will be, you know, running, your nose, everything. At least you have a taste. What did you say? Say, brother, so hot.
It's sweet and it's so good, yeah.
Pepper be too much.
So much. So yummy. It's actually very delicious.
I think my Nigerian neighbors, guys, everyone, Ghana, no.
Ghana is, I mean, the food is as hot as Ghana's.
Now I have to eat my rice with yogurt.
I know, now my brother is eating his rice with yogurt because it's just so hot. Yeah,
I hate it.
The food is as hot as Ghana's
Ghana's weather.
weather.
Oh, it's hot, oh, but at least now you know this has been a video of my family trying jollof rice. You guys have seen their reaction. Yeah, I'm glad they have tried it. So yeah, this was so cool doing this. So now let me eat. You know me, I'm used to this food now. I'm used to it. So.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.